Hi, my name is Jodie and I'm in the Kapahaka group and I really enjoy it. My favourite item in the bracket is haukiwi. This is a wahine haka or haka pōwhiri. It's a song of welcome and it is known well in Tairawhiti and throughout New Zealand.
Hello, my name is Peter. I go to Matapuna Training Centre. Our couples kind of drifted out of it when I was younger. So you get back into it. It's a good thing to have. Kapahaka represents mana.
Kia ora, my name is Matapuna. I'm a member of the music group and I take part in Kapahaka. I love that everybody comes together and all of the voices just power out when we start doing hakas. It's a great experience and cool to hear. My favourite song would have to be Haukiwi. It is Haukiwi because it's a wahine kapahaka, wahine haka, and everybody just powers out. Yeah, it's cool.